Hello friends, in this video we'll see how to use split method in Java to get part of a string. So suppose this is the string and we want to get part of it. Like we want to get only www.youtube.com. Then we can split it at this symbol. Okay, or we can use both this symbol. So let's try. So this is an edit text which will have that URL, then the extract method, and this will be the result. So when button is clicked, we set a string variable URL to edit text and get text, and then we will put our code, and after that we will display the result in this text view. Okay, so I have this try catch exception code, and whenever there is exception, I show it as a toast message. It will toast e.toString. Now in try block, I will set the result to result is the string variable. Here you can see this string variable. So result is equal to URL. This is also the string variable which we have to split URL dot split. So we will split it at this symbol. Okay, so when we split it at this symbol, we will get an array, means a list of items. So when we split a decimal, this will be the first item, second item will be empty, and this will be the third item, and their index will be 0, 1 and 2. So if we have to get this part, then we will use 2. Okay, so after this we will write this 2 and then semicolon. Okay, so this is the result and we can display it. Okay, actually this displaying should be inside the try catch exception block. So I'll just copy this, remove this part and put it here. Okay, so it will display it now. Now let's check this. Okay, so now the app is installed. Let's copy this URL and paste it here. Click on extract. So here you can see it has extracted the text. Okay, if I copy some other URL and paste it here, it will also extract the text. Okay, now let's try this one. Suppose instead of this single slash, if I write this double slash, okay, I can even put this colon double slash. Okay, then it will split it into two parts. First part will be HTTP and second part will be from here to here. So the index of the two parts will be 0 and 1, and if we have to get the website, I'll put 1 here. Okay, and now let's check this once again. So here I paste the text and click on extract. So it will extract this part. Now suppose I want only this Amazon from this one, Amazon.com. Okay, if I want only this part, then what I can do is I can split at www dot, and then it will be in two parts. I will not split in dot because that will make three parts. Okay, so I want only two parts because I want full Amazon.com. So I will split at www. So let's do this. If I split it at www dot, then it will have two parts, 0 and 1, and 1 will be the result we want. Okay, this will be part 1, this will be part 0. So let's run this project. Now the app is installed. When I paste it here and click on extract, it will show this second part. Okay, suppose I want only this part, then I can split at this dot. Okay, so it will split it into 3 parts. This will be part 0, this Amazon will be part 1, and this will be part 2. Com will be part 2. Let's split it at dot. So if we have to split it at dot, then we have to escape it with a backslash like this. Okay, this symbol has to be placed, and then it will be in 3 parts, 0, 1 and 2. So we want only part 1. Okay, so let's check this. There is some error. Yeah, whenever we escape it, we have to put it twice, because this is also a special character and we have to escape this also. So this dot will be escaped by this and this will be escaped by this. Now let's check this. So now the app is installed. Let's copy some URL. Okay, here it will split it into 4 parts. Okay, with index 0, 1, 2 and 3. So now only index 1 will be displayed, which is Google. So here you can see it displays only Google. Suppose I copy this one, then it should display Yahoo. Okay, like this. Now we will try some other URL like this one. Okay, so here it will display GitHub. Yeah. Now suppose I want this part, which is Deemer Designs. Okay, this part, Deemer's Designs. So if I use this symbol to escape to split it. Okay, suppose I split it at this symbol, then I'll have to find the position. So this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, and this will be 3, and last one, this will be 4. Okay, so I'll put 3 here to get Deemer Designs. Okay, now let's check this. The app is installed now and I have pasted this URL, and when I click on extract, it shows Deemer Designs. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.